Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So finally, monsoon has started. Summer's over, and it's pouring like crazy outside. We all love this season, but did you know it's really important to take care of your skin during monsoon, and especially this season because there's so much pollution outside, plus the water outside, and your skin gets really damaged. And the first thing that we do is we just stop applying sunscreen because it's not even sunny outside, but that's not the case, guys. First and most important thing is you need to apply sunscreen during monsoon as well. And don't think it's gloomy outside, you don't need to apply it. It's very important. And cleansing, toning and moisturizing, these three things are really important. So first you cleanse your face once you come back from office or from school, college, whatever. Cleanse your face really well. Use a nice makeup remover or a nice face wash. You remove all the makeup or all the oil that is been on your skin, so you get rid of that. Firstly, that's really important. Second thing is toning. So use a nice toner because this will really help your skin. Once you've done that, use a nice toner, just apply it all over your face. If you have dry skin like mine, toners are harsh on your skin, so you can apply rose water. That acts like a really good toner. Once after you've done that, moisturizing is the third thing. Use a nice moisturizer according to your skin type, if it's oily, dry or normal skin, combination skin. So use a moisturizer which will moisturize your skin and which will not damage your skin because of the monsoon outside. So do that. And most important thing is you need to keep your feet really good. Don't let the water stay in your feet. Just keep changing your shoes, wear appropriate shoes and take care of your feet. Put your feet in like hot water once you come home from office, and this will get rid of all the dirt from your feet. And these are a few tips that you need to follow, and this will help you during monsoon. And take care of your skin, take care of your health. And if you have any more doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more skincare tips, more makeup, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's monsoon season now and summer just got over. We were always looking for a waterproof makeup. I know during summer it's so sweaty and your makeup washes off, and during monsoon, because it is pouring outside, your makeup will eventually go off. So today I'm going to share a few waterproof makeup tips with you. So guys, the first thing is foundation. That is which comes off like really easily. So what you need to do is stop applying your heavy thick foundation and you can move to BB creams. So BB creams are tinted moisturizers which will really absorb into your skin, and it will not fade off, it won't wash off so easily. So instead of applying foundation, go for BB creams. And the second tip is apply primer. So primer will make sure that your makeup is in place and it won't like go off really easily. So primer is really important if you're looking for waterproof makeup. And the third tip is, even if you're using a liner, see it's waterproof. You can either go for like a gel liner, which is good. It won't wash off that easily and it won't smudge also. So gel liner or waterproof liners are really good. And the fourth tip is, after you apply your BB cream, make sure that you apply powder to it. It won't really make your makeup wash off that easily, but it will also make your makeup stay in place. So that's more important. And my last tip is skip powder blushes. You can use tinted blushes, which is really good. There are a lot of companies which have started, like Body Shop, Maybelline. So it's like a tinted blush. You just apply it onto your skin and dab, so it will absorb into your skin, won't really wash off. Even if you're sweating or if you're out in the rain, it will stay. So these were a few tips on how you can use these tips for waterproof makeup, and your makeup will stay in place. So go try it and let me know if you have any more doubts in the comment section below. And if you have any more products that I should try which is really good, which is waterproof, do let me know. And for more DIYs, makeup tips, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.